has given us,
Yeah.
and
That's
if
such
we
a
don't
time
stand there and
this.
fight,
Right.
then yeah, we'll just be yelling stop
Right.
while we get run over.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not somebody who likes to get run over.
Yeah.
So, and I don't think anybody in this room likes to get run over. And that's why yelling stop is no longer good enough.
No.
Now we're going to join Donald Trump in derailing that train,
right.
turning it around, and restoring freedom in this country. President Trump is being impeached because he's making necessary noise, because he's taking on those powers that be.
Soften them up. All right, good luck. All right, see ya. Good luck with the book.
They're going to say no. You're not allowed to manipulate our thought patterns. You're not allowed to direct us where you want us to go. You're not allowed to be masters of the universe that are going to predetermine outcomes, because that's not your job. You're supposed to be a neutral platform that all ideas are able to be explored on equally, not a platform that's designed to create an outcome, a predetermined outcome based on what people in Silicon Valley think.
Necessary Noise by Rick Manning and Star Parker. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Jim. Really appreciate it.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think Jim would agree that they have completely destroyed the rule of law. The presumption of innocence went out the window with Kavanaugh hearing. Now the idea that hearsay evidence is invalid is being thrown out. Any concept, anything that you thought you knew about the law in the United States is being destroyed by the Democratic Congress, and it's pretty astonishing to watch. I would agree with Jim that Schiff is difficult to watch, but here's the key thing. America needs to watch what he's saying and watch him, because that's what we see every day. When you talk about dealing with a swamp, it is Adam Schiff. It is these bureaucrats who get up and say, well, the president doesn't agree with us, so he should be impeached. I mean, that is the swamp.
We had her on yesterday. She's
Yes.
great. The book, Necessary Noise, How Donald Trump Inflames the Culture War and Why This is Good News for America. We recommend it. Great to see you, Richard Manning. Thanks so much.
Thank you, John. Appreciate the opportunity.
A pleasure. We'll be right back. More to come here on Newsmax now.